All right, boys and girls, boys and girls, I can't talk. On our way to Mexico. We don't see, man. I'm a little bit scared. This beam was kind of fast. Oh snap! Yeah. I mean, okay, so just disclaimer: his car is not completely up to snuff. Like, there is some stuff going on with the car. So once the car gets back on the up and up, you know, we're gonna rerun it. But this car is fast, bro. Like, not to gas my own stuff up, but like, this car is really quick.